Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in chemical bonding and molecular structure chapter. Okay, this is one of the chapter in 11th standard. Okay, now let us see the first question. Simple one. The bond order of N2 plus molecule is dash. Okay, I have given one clue also. If you follow this, you can use to solve the sums. Okay, option A 1.5, option B 2.5, option C 3.5, option D 4.5. Okay, but you must know all these molecular arrangements, molecular orbital arrangements. Okay, then only you can able to solve them. Okay, right. Next one, second one. The hybridization of sulfur in SO4 2 minus is, okay, option A sp2, option B sp3, option C sp3d, option D sp3d2. Understood? We have to find out sulfur hybridization in SO4 2 minus molecule. Understood? Right. Next one. Here also same thing, just like first question. Okay, this will not, they will not give this one. Okay, you have to remember all these molecular orbital arrangements. Okay, right. Bond order of 1.0 is shown by, so which molecule having bond order 1.0? That's the question. Okay, option A 1 O2 plus, option B O2 minus, option C O2 2 minus, option D O2. Understood? Right. Next one. Which of the following are isostructural? Iso means same structure. Okay. That one we have to find out. Okay. So see option A SF4 XCF4. Option B BF3 and NF3. Option C SO3 2 minus NO3 minus. Option D BRO3 minus Xenon O3. Understood? Right. Next one, fifth one. The correct geometry and hybridization of SF4 are option A seesaw sp3d, option B trigonal bipyramidal sp3d2, C planar triangle sp3d3, D option D square planar and sp3d2. Understood? So you have to find out geometry as well as hybridization of that molecule. Okay, right. Sixth one. Which of the following species is paramagnetic? So if you have unpaired electron means that's called what? Paramagnetic. So you have to fill the electrons in this orbital, then we have to find out. Okay, this and all they won't give in the examination. Okay, so for my convenience only I given. The sixth one. Which of the following species is paramagnetic? Option A O2 2 minus, option B NO, option C CO, option D Cn minus. Okay, next one. Seventh one. Which structure is linear? That's the question. Understood? So linear angle means 180. So from the hybridization only we can find out linear, triangular. Okay, right. Option A SO2, option B CO2, option C CO3 2 minus, option D SO4 2 minus. Okay, so mostly based on hybridization, based on the molecular orbital theory. So I given some sums. Okay, so practice all this. So next class I will give the solution to this. Thank you, students.